Alrighty, we've got a delivery. So that's a joke. We got too excited, we've already opened it. So we're gonna go over to the table. I've got a sheet that tells us what we've got, but let's go open them. Now before we get into unboxing the cars, the model cars, we've got our new line of merch. So this is like the first, I guess, delivery we've taken. So we've got the small MCA design on the chest piece there in black and white. And we've got the big MCA design with the "You Will Never Drive Alone" on there, of course, because that's a cool little touch, as well as our chevrons down the back, like a spine design. Now I like that because I designed it myself, so it's pretty cool. But also, as I said, we got the black, we got the sand color, the same thing with the chevrons down the back. And my favorite, we've got no fraud shirts. These are cool. I might have to actually wear one today, I think. But that's not what we're here for. We're here for the model cars, so let's get straight into it now. We've got 5 model cars, so I'm gonna take a seat. We're gonna get into unboxing these. I heard that the richest YouTuber is an 8-year-old kid that unboxes toys, so we're gonna do the same thing and try and get rich. Now, what we've got here is a McLaren P1 in Volcano Orange. We've got a 720S in Memphis Red, Koenigsegg Regera in Candy Red, a Bugatti Chiron in yellow and black, and a Liberty Walk GTR. Now, only one of these was made by a different, I guess, car model company to the rest, and that was the GTR. And there's only one box that's different, so this one's gonna be the GTR. So, let's get into it. Box is so hard to open. Alright. Ooh, look at that. Now that is pretty cool. Obviously it's not the same color as ours, but you can see even the details there. If you go right into like the front grille, you can see the little steel bars, the same bars that we have. The same wheels as well. How cool is that? Those actual Liberty Walk wheels. The silhouette wheels that were built for the car. That's awesome. Man, that is actually really cool. So this is the Silhouette Type 1 kit, which is the same kit we have. So that is really, really cool. And the detail on this is unreal. Like even the badge is, you can actually feel it. That's really cool. Can you open doors and stuff? Maybe not. Okay, Liberty Walk GTR done. Now, let's go. What's this one? McLaren 720S. Alright, stepping up in the world. This is the car that I want. If I was to buy any car right now, I'd buy a 720S. So if anyone's got $500,000 for me, let me know. I'll spend it well, I promise. Let's see. Keen for this one. Oh, that's more tape, that's all right. I'm new to this unboxing thing, guys, bear with me. Ooh, here we go. Oh, that's clean. That is really cool. And this one, it wants to open. I don't want to break it though, so we'll figure it out and we'll show you later. But that is really cool. And as they are in real life, how fat does that look from the rear? Does that spoiler come up? Oh, look at that.
The fact that a die-cast model does that, that is so cool.
I know. These are like $500 per car though, so you'd hope they're pretty good. But that is, yeah, I really like that. Is that missing something on the rear there?
I was just looking at that.
Maybe there's something in there. Oh, do this. What is it? Oh yeah, a little engine cover. Let's try that. So in this little thing here, we got a little engine cover. I guess it just sits on top. No, oh, we'll figure it out later. This must be like a little key to open the doors, I guess.
Oh, it's broken.
Is it broken?
Yeah.
Oh, well, we'll have to reach
Just a
out
little
to them.
crack. We'll put that in wrap wise and they'll fix it.
Yeah, we'll come back to that. We'll come back. We'll figure it out later. Let's keep unboxing some more cars. Alright, next box. Oh, Koenigsegg Regera. Well, let's be honest, I'd buy all these cars, so. Regera, though, I'm not sure how much they are in Australian dollars, probably 3 or 4 million. Something ridiculous. Let's see. Oh, this one's got like instructions. Oh, the whole car opens up, that's cool. So, first things first, on the top there, we've got what looks like an engine cover here, some spare mirrors, another one of those keys. Alright. Ooh. Wow. That is, that's gorgeous. And it's even got the little ghost. Now, I read somewhere, and I may get this wrong, but Koenigsegg started in a factory in Sweden where there used to be old fighter jets, and the actual logo or the symbol for the fighter jets was that ghost. So they carried that into their cars and I guess integrated that. But from that look, I think a bunch of this opens up as well. So the spoiler comes up. That's pretty cool. And the detail in these cars. This is crazy. Look at that. This one is going to open for us. Oh yeah. I mean, it's going to try.
Don't know how the doors open on this car to begin with.
It's just a bit tight, but how cool is that? They're like those, they're not butterfly doors, they're like the ones that go like that. That is so cool. And look at the interior, man. Like, that's crazy. Oh. And that is pretty cool. That this is a model car and it can do all this. I think this opens as well.
What was the price difference between the three? Do you remember?
I can pull up the price difference in a sec.
Because this one's detail, like even the paint,
yeah,
looks
this and the Bugatti were the most expensive.
30 times better than this and that.
Yeah.
Like if you just put them next to each other.
Alright.
Dude, this one's gorgeous.
So, McLaren P1. We might leave that one till last. The P1 has got a special spot in my heart at the moment. So, Dutton Garage, if you can't find a buyer for that yellow P1 you've got, let me know. Alright, so this will be the Bugatti, the Chiron. Very cool. Oh yeah, iconic. Got that like that rear roof scoop thing. All right, here we go. Get a good shot of this, Sean. Oh, that yellow. That yellow is gorgeous. Napkins, nice.
For when you unbox it.
When you unbox a nut. Look at that. That one is cool.
I wonder if one actually exists in the world that's yellow and black.
Oh man, I hope so. That's like I'd spec a car like that. Again, the spoiler comes up, but we'll try and put this engine cover on. Oh yes. Tev. Oh no. The mirror wasn't attached. It's like snapped off. Oh, the imperfections. That's alright. That's alright. We'll let them know. And this one here is like almost snapped off too. That's sad. I'm sure Sean has some tape or something that'll be able to fix that. But
I know this one guy called Super Glue. He lives in the garage.
I guess that's the only bad part about model cars like this is because they're so detailed. Some of them are attached by like.
They're so small. Like this one, we have to put the mirrors on ourselves.
Yeah. Righty, McLaren P1. Oh, what do we got here? Oh, look at it, the whole rear end of the car. Fair enough. There's something else there. Don't know what that is, but we'll find out. Whatever's missing, I guess. Oh,
The engine's fully exposed.
that.
Thank God she didn't flip it upside down.
Yeah, it's tied in. Oh, look at this. Certificate of authenticity. Authorised by McLaren Group. Serial number 139. Whoever owns the P1 serial number 139, we've got your car. How cool's that? We're going to have to actually unscrew this, I think, to be able to get in and see it, but... Ooh, from the top, it looks so good. Alright, we'll come back to this. We'll come back to this. Just on the final screw here for this P1 and get it out of the box. So there we go. There we go. Look at that. And it rolls. So obviously we've put the roof on. See if we can get the doors open. Oh, that was easy. Look at this. I'm trying to get my hand out of the way, but yeah, it should go up a bit higher than that, but doesn't matter because that's cool anyway. Oh man. That is what you want. That is a toy car. How just... And it's going to be hard to get a shot of that interior, but that is just gorgeous. Hoping that the wing sits up. Oh, it's missing it. Oh, that must be what's on the back here. That must be what this is. So, yes. We have the wing. That's what we're here for. Not sure exactly how to do this, but yeah, I don't know, but we'll figure that out. There must be a way. We'll get to it. But how cool is that? That P1 is gorgeous. On P0s, of course. What else? Just the front. Oh yeah, nice. Very nice. That is gorgeous. Alright, let's what we're gonna do is we're gonna unscrew the rest of them, and we'll show you them all unscrewed, and then we'll put them in some cabinets and stuff. I think this one's gonna have to go in my office though, because it's special. Suss out how cool this is. I'm like a little boy on Christmas morning. These things are so cool. The detail on these is top notch, and the McLaren, the P1's got the certificate of authenticity as well, which is pretty cool. That's actually really cool. So we're going to put these on display now, and if you want to check them out, come down and see us, 123 Breakfast Creek Road in Newstead, Motorculture Showroom. But we will see you in the next video. We've got some cool stuff planned, so subscribe, and we'll see you soon.